An example of the second form for partial fraction decomposition is the equation 7x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 6x plus 9. To get it to look more like the second form, though, we have to factor the denominator. Since this is a quadratic, we'll have two parentheses side by side like this, each with just an x, since the coefficient in front of the x is 1. Then, to figure out what these numbers and signs are, we look at the last two numbers, because it's a combination of the two. It's a product of the last number and an additive of the second number. So products of positive 9, because it's positive, the signs have to be the same. It's either plus plus or minus minus. And because the second number is minus 6, it has to be minus minus, because I can never add two positives to get a negative. Now I just look at what two numbers multiplied together to get 9 give me negative 6. You're probably already seeing that the number is 3. So it's x minus 3, x minus 3. Another way to write this, because I have the same value inside those parentheses, is x minus 3 squared. Now it is definitely looking like form 2. So we can write this now as a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 3 squared. I want to get rid of the denominator, so I multiply it to each side, canceling out on the left side. And again, parts of it will cancel out on the right side. So my function then becomes 7x plus 3 equals a times x minus 3 plus b. I can then pick values for x to solve for a and b. The first value I want to pick is, let's let x equal positive 3. I pick positive 3 because I can see that a is going to cancel out, and then I can solve for b. So when x is 3, the left side of our equation becomes 24. On the right side of our equation, that a goes away, and I'm left with b equaling 24. I'm going to substitute out the b value now, and I'm going to put 24 for b in the original function. I can now pick any value for x to now solve for a. To make the math simple, let's let x equal 0. The left side of the equation becomes 3. The right side of the equation becomes negative 3a plus 24. That makes a positive 7. I can then plug in the values I've obtained for a and b into the original form, where a is 7, so it's 7 over x minus 3, plus b is 24, so it's 24 over x minus 3 squared. And this is the partially decomposed function.